Say every Wednesday, trash truck day. Every Wednesday. Are you excited? Here he comes. Oh, he's gonna get ours soon.
So I told him, I said, you know what, I'd love to help. Let me go wash my hands first. My plan was wash my hands slowly.
Are you ready? Here he comes. He's got one more to do and then it's our turn. Hi, trash truck. Here he comes. She always a trash lady. That's cool, isn't it? Say hi. She's fast. Look. She fast. Look, there she goes. She gonna dump it.
I said, yes, ma'am.
Whoa, bye-bye, trash. Can you wave?
I hope that's not a problem.
Can you wave? Yay! She honked just for you. That's so sweet. That is so sweet. That's the second week. Third week in a row. She expects you now. Every week she honks just for you, buddy. Isn't that sweet? Give that girl a raise. That's so sweet to take an extra second to make a little boy's day. Yeah, she honked for you. Did you hear her go beep beep? She honked. Yeah, she honked just for you, buddy. That's so sweet. Say bye-bye, trash truck.
I'm talking about the crowd on the big stage.